I'm about to reveal a secret weapon that can transform your lead generation efforts, an affiliate marketing course with PLR. This is not just any PLR, it's a comprehensive package designed to help you build a loyal audience and generate consistent income. It's including 153 pre-made training videos covering everything from affiliate marketing basics to advanced strategies. I am so confident in the power of this PLR product that I am including an exclusive free bonus, this one-click import course structure and outline. So with one click you will have online affiliate marketing course structured and ready to be used. All you have to do then is upload the videos that you will get from the main product, structure your online course as you wish, and start building a loyal audience. But first, why an affiliate marketing course is the ultimate lead magnet? Well, it has a high value content. People are hungry for knowledge in this space, and offering a free course positions you as an expert. And also it builds trust. By providing valuable content up front, you establish credibility and build trust with your audience. It also engages your audience. A well-structured course keeps subscribers coming back for more, increasing engagement and open rates. And it nurtures leads. You can use the course to guide subscribers through an affiliate marketing journey, positioning your products or services as solutions. Now here is the incredible PLR product that I've discovered. It includes 153 pre-made training videos covering everything from affiliate marketing basics to advanced strategies. What do you gain with this product? Well, you save time and money. No need to spend countless hours creating content from scratch. High quality content, professionally produced videos that are ready to use. And you have also full PLR rights, customize and brand or rebrand the course as your own. Let me just play a few seconds of an example video here. Let's press the play button to see.
And so on and so on. I'll show you that in a second. This is that actual channel, and you see it's just starting out, so we only have 5 videos on the channel, and the idea is to make like 1 video per day for the first 30 days and kind of slow down after that. We're just starting with this. There's only 23 subscribers. It's literally like 5 days old. So when I tell you we're literally just working on it, we're literally just working.
So you see, this is a very high quality video trainings that you can get with this awesome PLR product. Now you can ask me, what about the free bonus? Well, to make your life even easier, I'm offering an exclusive bonus, a one-click importable course structure and outline. Imagine you can import the entire course structure, including module titles, video outlines, and lesson plans with just one click. Then simply replace the placeholder videos with the PLR content from the previous product. It's like having a pre-built framework for your online course. So if you are ready to take your business to the next level and have your own online affiliate marketing course, click the button or the link below this video, grab the main PLR product, and you will get instant free access to the bonus in the same time. But for the few minutes that are coming, I'm going to show you how exactly you can import and structure your online course, the bonus itself. So once imported, the course will look like this to your students or to your future subscribers. So there will be 10 modules around the affiliate marketing, recurring commissions, and passive income. 10 modules and 37 lessons. Each lesson comes as a video that you will replace, and then a link here to promote a resource, an external resource to make money, some comments and useful tips here, and you can prepare your students to the next lecture or lesson in this paragraph here. And also you can activate the comments so your students will be able to comment. As you can see here, your students will be able to navigate the course like this, click on any lecture or any lesson, and of course every lesson will be another video that explains the topic you are talking about on that specific lesson. On the previous offer, actually, I offered you 37 video scripts that you can use yourself or give to AI to produce videos for you. So with that, you will be able easily to produce these videos here, upload them to your system.io account, and have 100% personalized course, online course that you can use to build your email list. And also on these buttons here, you will be able to promote any affiliate offers. I will also show you how to import this high converting capture page with one click, so that anyone who subscribes through this capture page will be automatically subscribed to the course and will have access actually to the course. So you can also set up an email campaign that welcomes your new students and send them back to the course like twice or 3 times, so that they will be able to memorize the course and use it multiple times. So let's go ahead and start the setup process. On your thank you page, you will see the video that we are on right now. You will see it right here, and then you will see multiple buttons to help you import and set up the course structure. So if you do not have already a system.io account, you can click on this button here to create a free one that will allow you to build up to 2,000 contacts completely for free. You can import the course structure using this button here, and you can import the list building funnel using this button here. Of course, you can download the graphics with this button here. So let's go ahead and import the course first. We have a brand new system.io account here. As you can see, if I go to products and then courses, there are no courses here yet. Funnels also, there are no funnels. And also if I go to the campaigns, email campaigns, there are no campaigns yet. So once on the thank you page, you want to click on the red button here, and the course structure will be imported instantly to your account. As you can see here, you see there are 10 modules that have already been imported into your account, and then all you have to do is go to the lessons and activate them one by one. You can see these tick marks here that are not green. They have to be green. So go to the 3 dots and click activate, confirm, and then go to the next lesson, activate, confirm, and you do this for all the lessons. Now, as you can see here, I already activated all the 37 lessons inside of the 10 modules. And if you want to make changes on any lesson, all you have to do is click on the title of the lesson. It will open in the editor. You can customize the title, you can customize the video itself. So you click on this gear here when it's orange, you click on it. If you have it on YouTube, the video, you can just paste the YouTube link here. But if you have it on your computer and you want to upload it, you just select here and you click upload file, and then you upload the video to your system.io account. It will be fast, don't worry. So it will host the video for you and present it to your students. And then after that, you can of course put your affiliate links on these buttons here. You select the button and then you click the gear when it's orange, and you put here your affiliate links for any program you want to promote on this particular lesson. You can of course change these comments here and also here. All you have to do is point and write the text you want to put, and always don't forget to save the changes. Now if you want to see how it looks, I prefer also going out, exiting the editor, and then clicking here view, so that you can see how your online course will look like. And as you can see, it will look exactly like this. You can browse the courses and the modules here every time you go to any section you want on the course. Now, to customize your course information, head to products and then courses. You will see your course right here. You can develop it when you click on this link here, but what you want to do is go to the three dots and click on settings. So these are the settings of your course, and then you change here and you put your own name that will appear on the course, the title of the course, the description, the language, everything you want to customize is here, and the link to your course actually needs to be put here. So you put the word here after your default domain name. You put a specific name here. I just put here XXX, but you will customize it with your own name, and then you save the changes to make the course reflect your information, your chosen information. Now let's go ahead and import the list building funnel that you will use to attract visitors and have them subscribed to your course. So what you need to do is go back to your thank you page, the one we were the one that you will get later, and then you click on the blue button, import the list building funnel. You click on it and see what happens. Instantly you will have this funnel here. So this is the capture page. As you can see, this is the link to the capture page. After your default domain name, you will have to rename it here, but if I want to see how it looks, you can just click here, view funnel step, and as you can see, this is exactly the capture page that you will get. Anyone who subscribes here will be subscribed to the course itself. How we do that? So first of all, maybe you want to do some changes on the capture page. So you click edit the page here on the right side, and then of course you can customize the capture page as you wish. But in order for you to have all those subscribers subscribe to the course, you need to click automation rules, and you want to add a rule to tell system.io to subscribe anyone who opts in to that course. So you click on this option here, funnel step from subscribed, and you want to enter inside and add an action. So when you click add an action, you can choose all from these options here, and what you want to do actually is find subscribe to course here, enroll actually in a course. You click on it and then you choose which course. Of course you have only one, this one here, and then you save the rule. So anyone who opts in now will be enrolled to the course that you just imported. And then if you want to add other actions, of course you can do that. You can click here add an action, and for example you can send an email or subscribe to an email campaign. If you want to create an email campaign, so let's do that actually. You go here to emails, campaigns, there are no campaigns, you create a new campaign. Let's call it, for example, the course campaign, and then you save, and inside of the campaign you create email number 1, and then you create email number 2, 3, 4, etc. You will have multiple emails here, but I actually explained this in other videos, so you can check them out. But what I want to say here is that you created an email campaign that has multiple emails that will go out automatically to your new subscribers or new students, having them go back to the course. Let's just refresh this page, and we want to go back actually to the funnel. Let's go to the funnel, open the funnel, make sure you're selecting the capture page, and let's go back to the automation rule. This is the automation rule that we did earlier. It enrolls the students to the course, and we want to add a new action and subscribe them to the campaign that is already made. Which campaign? So you come here and you select course campaign that we just created, and then you save the rule. So like this, you promote your capture page. Anyone who opts in will be 1, enrolled to the course, and 2, he will be subscribed to the campaign, and he will start receiving the emails that you set up previously day in, day out. So there you have it, guys, with the setup of this online course structure on your System.io account. Few clicks are enough to have it ready and ready actually to get you new students using that capture page. If you have any questions, you can reply to my emails or leave comment in the comment section. Use the contact form. I will be glad to answer your questions. And well, I wish you luck and have a great day.